So what's up with everybody always trying to achieve the 100% in every project? Have you ever been part of a project where a group of people are pushing that every single feature, every single ability that that product has gets implemented before it's moved out to production? Unfortunately, this approach can damage your organization. Financial institutions tend to want to implement 100% of the functionality and services of any product before letting it go live. Unfortunately, this approach is counterproductive. Why? Because you will never achieve 100%. It's a fantasy. It would actually be better to achieve what we call minimum viable product, otherwise known as MVP. A minimum viable product is the absolute minimum feature set that you need to use this new service or feature. The purpose of the MVP is to get the product out the door. And instead of trying to guess at what your consumers want, you can learn. You can get the product out the door, get people to use it, get feedback from the consumers, from the members, understand where their needs lie, and then change your approach and continue to drive new features into the product. You also might find out that some of these features need changing. You may find out that the whole concept is not going to work. And what have you done? You've spent months and months and months trying to get it to 100% only to find out that nobody wants it. You want to get things out fast. You want to learn from them very quickly. You want to adapt to those learnings. And more importantly, if they don't work, you want to fail fast. Fail fast and pivot. That's why 100% is not a good idea. This has been a FinTech Minute. Go check out my new book, Breaking Digital Gridlock. You can find it anywhere that books are sold, Amazon.com, BarnesandNobles.com. Also, if you don't mind, subscribe. There's going to be a lot more stuff coming out on this channel. So hope that you're enjoying this. And if you're not, leave me a message. If you are, leave me a message. I would love to hear from you.